Are you ready to upgrade your wardrobe without breaking the bank? Welcome to Big Jonah Boutique, where fashion meets affordability. From streetwear to smart styles, have got something for everyone. Come shop with us today and let your outfit speak for you.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Big Jonah. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to subscribe to Google Veo 3 1-month free plan. From my previous video, a lot of you have been asking me how I was able to subscribe to Google Veo 3 1-month free plan. You don't need to worry. In this video, I'll be taking you step by step on how to subscribe to Google Veo 3 1 month for free. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any important part of this video. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Alright, so guys, for you to do this, just head over to your Play Store. Head over to Play Store. Search for Eversend. Eversend. Alright. This particular one, okay? This particular one, Eversend. Go ahead and click it. Okay, as you can see, mine is showing up there because I've already installed the app, okay? But as a new beginner, they are going to ask you to, to install it. So after you install it, you just have to open the app. The reason we need this app is to create our virtual dollar card. Okay, if you are in Ghana, if you are in Nigeria, if you are in US, anywhere, if you are in US, you already have a dollar US card, so you don't need this anymore. You can just go ahead and connect your card. If you are in Nigeria, this is the only card that I'm using. This is the only thing that works for me. This card is highly acceptable on Google Veo 3. That is what I'm using. This is what all my students are using. So like I said, as a new beginner, you'll be asked to sign up. So just sign up. They are going to ask for a simple verification, like maybe your any valid ID card. Okay, just go ahead and do the verification, guys. So for you having issue with creating of your card, of your Eversend card, so this is how to create it. Now I've already exchanged this money. I've deposit money and I already exchange the money to dollar. Now let me see, make sure you have money on your dollar account, right? Now as you can see, you see, but look at my US dollar account, $3. At least let the money be up to $2. Yes, at least $2. Okay, but I have $3 here, right? Okay, now I want to create card, right? So just come here. If you look down very well, you are going to see card. Go ahead and click the card. Okay, and then you see create new card. Go ahead and click it. And then you see creation fee. Creation fee is free, but minimum card funding is $1. All right, minimum card funding is $1, and then maintenance fee every month is $1 per every month. The maintenance fee of the card is $1. We are here for the purpose of the card. We just want to create card, so go ahead and accept these terms and conditions. And then you see one-time payment. Pay one-time fee for unlimited card use. Like, yes, if you pay this one-time payment, you are going to have unlimited card use. For those people that want to be using this card to purchase something online from outside, because Nigeria card not accept international transactions. So if you want to have it, if you are someone that want to be using your card for international transaction for unlimited, you can go ahead and use this one-time payment of $3. But for me, it's just to connect my Google Veo 3 and other stuff, right? I just need only 1 month fee, so I'll just have to go ahead and click this 1 monthly fee, and then you can go ahead and select the color of the card that you want. As you can see, black, and again we have this pink, pink, and then blue, but let me just go with this default, which is this blue. Go ahead and click continue, and then I'm going to be asked to add how many dollar do I want to add into the card. How many dollar do I want to use to create the card? $1 is enough. Yeah, because my balance, if you see, if you look very well, my balance is $3, but I just want to use $1 to create the card. So you can go ahead and add node. Let me say John. Yeah, and then go ahead and click continue, and then put your pin, your transaction pin for Eversend. As you can see, okay, you have created a new virtual card with USD1. You see, this is easy. It is a very simple something. Okay, now I've created my card. Now let's go ahead and view the card. All right, so now that we have created the card, let's go and view the card and see. click cards. As you can see, okay, look at that. You see, so this is the card have been created, right? So look at the card. So now all you need from this card is this card number and your billing address. Okay, now this is the card number that you are going to use to connect to Google Veo tree. All right, so this is the card number that you are going to use. So all you need to do, look at this asterisk, go ahead and click this asterisk. If you click it, the card number is going to display. Click it, and then you see review. If I review, the card number and the CCV is going to review. And then the billing address. Okay, click this billing address, and then you have all the information needed on Google Veo tree. So this is the information that you are going to be using. So when you are creating your Google Veo tree account, where you want to link the account, this street number, your address, you should use this street number. Your town or city, you should use New York. Your zip code or postal code, you should use this postal code that come with this card details. All right, so your state should be New York, and then your country should be USA, and then this is the phone number if you need phone number. Okay, so this is the information, every information that you need on Google Veo tree. Make sure you get it from this billing address. Don't use any information outside of this information, because if you use, the card is not going to be available. All right, so this is all the information that you need. All right, so this is just how to create the card. All you need now is to just get this card number, the card details, and then head over to your Google Veo tree and provide it, and then subscribe to Google Veo tree. All right, so this is basically how to do it. And for you to exchange your money, in case if you don't have money on dollar, if you don't have dollar, for you to exchange your money, let me say you create it, you are in Nigeria or you are in Ghana. To exchange your money, just come here. Okay, see exchange. If you click the exchange, you are going to impute, change it to USA. This place, this drop down arrow, if you click this drop down arrow where this arrow they change it to USA, meaning you are exchanging to USA, and the minimum amount you can exchange to USA is $1.15. Okay, $1.15. Okay, so make sure you have enough money on your Naira account that is equivalent to, make sure you have enough money on your Naira account that is equivalent to $2. At least, like I said, you must exchange up to $2 before you be able to create the card. All right, so immediately you impute, let me say $2 now is, let me say I use 3.5, let me say, no, let me say 3.5, yes, or 3.4 is up. So let me say 3 in Naira, right? Write it in Naira, 3.4, 3,400. Okay, so with 3,400, if you credit 3,400, you are going to get your card generated. So as you can see, balance is 846.9. so that is why I cannot, this continue is not shown. Assuming the balance is up to this amount that I impute, this continue will turn to blue, and then go ahead and click it, and then your money have been exchanged to Naira. So just, you have a Naira account here. Okay, so for you to fund it, you that you are living in Nigeria, if you open and you verify your account, the first thing to do is to fund your Naira account. If you click this fund, and then you see use this bank transfer, and then this Global Bank. If you don't have this Global Bank, they are going to ask you to create one. Look at it, get your virtual card, get your virtual account, go ahead and create one, and then you are going to have this type of, and then you are going to have this Global Bank. Okay, if you click the Global Bank, this is it. So you just have to transfer money from your local bank account to this particular account. Okay, so if it is Naira or Ghana cedis, you are going to see it here. Okay, after you see it here, then you exchange it to dollar. Okay, come here, exchange the money to dollar, at least let it be up to $2, and then you can just go ahead and create your card. Okay, so this is basically how to create the card from Eversend. Alright, so for you to subscribe to your Google AI Pro plan, this is how to do it. Head over to your Chrome. Come to your Chrome here, search for Veo 3. Veo 3, search for Veo 3. And then just scroll up. You see this site, Google DeepMind. Go ahead and click it. And then you see try inflow, right? Try inflow. Go ahead and click the try inflow. And then go ahead and click create with flow. Okay, I was asked to subscribe, so this is how to go about the subscription. Okay, this is where a lot of people made mistake. All right, okay, now go ahead and click this subscribe. If you look very well, you are going to see 0 naira for the first 1 month. You see 0 naira for 1 month, right? Go ahead and click get AI Pro. Accept the terms and condition. Okay, as you can see, I'm asked to add my card. Okay, look, I've choose the email, so now they want me to add my card. Okay, go ahead and see and click add card. Okay, my billing address, I'm going to be adding my billing address. Don't use Nigeria, make sure you use USA. Billing address, use USA. Postal code, use the postal code they gave you, which is 10013. Yeah, you see 10013. Okay, all right, so now I need to add my card number. You see, make sure that the USC, the card detail, everything is correct. My card number, okay, which is 4361. All right, so I've added all the details. Okay, go ahead and click save. Error, yes, perfectly, no panic, we are on the right track. What this means is that your card has been saved. Yes, like this, your card has been saved. All we need to do now is to go over. You are going to see subscribe, then go ahead and click subscribe. Without, no need to add card again. All you need now, since your card has been saved, you just have to go ahead and click subscribe. Now let me show you what I mean. Receiver, now go ahead and click. All the card has been added. Click subscribe. Okay, as you can see, and here I have subscribed successfully. I have subscribed to Google AI Pro plan successfully. You see, so the most important thing is this part. If you come to this part and you see any existing card there, it's not going to work. If you have tried to link any other card with that particular email before, since you created the email, it will not work. You need to make sure that you have never add any card to that email. All right, so this is how to go about it. Now let's go back to our AI. Now let's go back to view 3 and see. See, got it right, everything. See, I was given a 1000 AI credit. Now let's open. You see, I'm now using the pro version. All right, okay, now let's click that pro. You see, now I've been given 1000 AI credit to create videos using this AI. All right, and each video costs 20 AI credit. Yes, now do the math and see. Now how many 20 can you find in 1000? That is the amount of video I can create using this 1000 AI credit. So this is just how to go about it. All right, so this is cool, this is nice. All right, so now I can go ahead and create my video. Guys, so this is basically how to subscribe to the Google AI Pro plan. All right, so this is basically how to subscribe to Google Veo 3 1-month free plan. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm Big John App, as per usual. Friend, hand to head, salute, bye.